This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious sambar in your Instant Pot. Sambar, a beloved South Indian lentil stew, is known for its rich flavors and aromatic spices. Using the Instant Pot makes this traditional dish incredibly easy and quick to prepare, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. We'll go over everything from gathering your fresh ingredients to the final tempering, ensuring a perfect, authentic taste every time. Get ready to enjoy a comforting meal with minimal effort. To begin, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of tur dal, which is split pigeon peas, and a selection of your favorite mixed vegetables chopped into 1-inch pieces. Think carrots, drumsticks, or eggplant. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of sambar powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and a small lime-sized ball of tamarind pulp soaked in water. These components are crucial for building that authentic, hearty sambar flavor we all love. Now let's get cooking in the Instant Pot. First, rinse your 1 cup of tur dal thoroughly. Add the rinsed dal, your chopped vegetables, 1 tablespoon of sambar powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and about 4 cups of water to the Instant Pot. Secure the lid and set it to high pressure for 10 minutes. Once cooking is complete, allow for natural pressure release. Then, stir in your tamarind pulp and salt to taste, mixing everything well. For the grand finale, we'll prepare a flavorful tempering. In a small pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then, toss in a few curry leaves, a pinch of asafoetida, and 2 dried red chilies. Sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Carefully pour this hot tempering over your cooked sambar. Give it a gentle stir, and your aromatic, comforting sambar is ready to be served with steamed rice or soft idlis. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.